Ano ginagawa niya dito? Chris, tawagin mo nga.
Girl, you're just buzzed. Maybe we should bounce na.
Hindi mo kaya? Ako ba?
Amber! Amber, no! Amber!
Stan! What are you doing here? What's a guy like you doing here?
Tatrabaho ako dito.
Oo nga pala. Possible na nakakabar siya dito. You can't even afford it.
That's enough.
Pasensya na.
Okay, Amber.
Amber, pwede ba? Kanina ka pa kayo nakita pero hindi ko naman na kayo pinapansin eh. Kaya pwede ba maging civil na lang tayo dito?
I'm sorry, Tristan. Amber is really drunk, and she doesn't know what she's saying.
No.
So don't mind her.
Shut up. Let me. Wow! Gusto mo maging civil tayo? Kasi kami, we're just chilling here, and then nakita ka namin, you're giving me so much bad vibes.
Amber.
Umalis ka nga! Hello?
Amber.
Didn't you hear me? Sabi ko, umalis ka na. Get out! Come on, get out! Umalis ka! Wow! Umalis ka na! Tara na!
Amber,
sige na.
No, Amber!
Tama na. Tama na, lasing ka.
Oh my God! Sino ba yan? Pathetic. Ikaw! Sino ka ba?
Amber, sige na.
I'm Amber.
Amber,
Bakit niyo
sige
ba ako
na.
pinipigilan? Asan ba yung manager niyo dito? Manager! Hello!
Ma'am, bawal pong nagugulo rito.
Hindi ako naggugulo, kuya. I just wanna talk to your manager. Asan ba yung manager niyo?
Ma'am, si Boss Tristan po. Siya po ang may-ari ng bar.
You're kidding, right, kuya? It's a prank! Wait. Si Tristan, yung may-ari ng bar na to? You're kidding me, right?
Girl, excuse me. Si Tristan ang may-ari ng bar na to, and we are the regular customers. Ikaw, who are you?
Boss, lalabas ko na to.
Let's go. Amber, let's go. Come on. Amber. I got it. Let's go. Sorry.